Here's a simple way to create quality double slits. The mirror that you see on the screen can be had at most dollar stores for $1, and I'll show you how it works. You can see that I've cut a section out of that mirror, and I'm just showing you the two sides of it, obviously the mirror side and then the side that has the paint on the back. So you simply lay it down so that the paint side is up. Get yourself a razor blade. It's simple. You can get those at Harbor Freight for $1. And then get a straight edge, and then lightly, now not hard, but just lightly score that paint off of the back. And you can see they're so easy to do. I'm just making many of them here. I'll show you how it turns out in a second. So you make a mark, and then you just barely move it over, and you make another one, and you experiment with it, and then you'll see which one's going to work best for you. You can obviously make triple slits, double slits, singles. You can do whatever you want on the back of those things. But that's how it works right there. So just a light pull down. You don't have to do it very hard. And then now let's look and see what happens. All right, now let's take a look at what we produced there. I have a piece of paper with some light underneath it simply to show you the slits. I used my finger to just brush it off. It really helps, so do that after you create the slits. And you can see here now, the one on the far left there is pretty basic, double slit. Let's zoom in now and see if we can see a little better. Yeah, the one on the left of the screen right now will be a good one. I think this one right here, the one on the second to the left, that one right there on the left-hand side of your screen, I'll zoom in on it here in just a second. It's difficult to see, but that's a double slit too. That'll probably be my best one. But anyway, you try them out is what you do, is you simply shine your laser through it and see what you have. Here's the way to hold them up. I found you can just get two magnets. Be careful when you put the magnets on that you don't, let the magnets slide together too fast and crack the glass. But if you're careful, those magnets will hold it up just right. And I'll show you another little trick how to get the most out of your double slits right now. See, now I have the mirror at a 90-degree angle to the laser beam, and you can see the double slit on the wall in the distance there. What's interesting is you can angle that mirror off to an angle and make that slit even tighter. You would think that that would ultimately distort the image by having the mirror at an angle that wasn't 90 degrees to the laser, but it doesn't affect it at all. In fact, you get a better result. You can really see the difference when you angle it out. It tightens it up. So I'll show you some examples here. Anyway, here are a few examples. I believe that one is at 90 degrees to the laser. I think that one's about 45. Not sure. And that one's at max. So I'm not sure they're any better, but they do change the image that you'll see based on the angle that the mirror is to the laser. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.